there are three types we studied. First is arithmetic, second is geometric, and third one is harmonic, that is HP, harmonic progression. Difference between reciprocal of any two successive speeds is constant. Okay, so what it says, reciprocal of any two successive speeds. Let us say successive speeds are n1 and n2. So difference 1 upon n2, reciprocal of higher speed minus reciprocal of lower speed. This is always constant in case of harmonic progression. Is it clear? Arithmetic we understood, difference between successive speeds is constant. Geometric, ratio of successive speeds is constant, and here reciprocal of successive speeds is constant. Okay, we will not go into much details of this. Here is the comparison of all the three: harmonic, geometric, and arithmetic progression. Okay, here are the formulae for all these. They are given, which is good in which range. So you can see arithmetic and geometric are good in high speed if you think collectively, but geometric is good in low spindle speed range. Okay, while these two are poor in high range, but harmonic is good in high range. High range is higher values of the speeds. Okay.